Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Cozy, and get ready to dive into another unboxing. Today we ended up getting a hoodie, and it's the AKIMBO, if I believe I'm saying that correctly, times Realtree collab. Now before we review this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never have to miss out on the next video or the next unboxing, the next item. So today we received the AKIMBO, hopefully I'm saying that, but AKIMBO sweater. We got a hoodie from them. It cost $165. Got it shipped really fast. I got this pretty quickly. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see how it fits. That's their logo. Go ahead and open this up. So this is it right here. I bought this camo hoodie, Realtree officially licensed product. You could tell that the material is really good, but this is the back. Realtree, they do a lot of camo stuff, like a lot of camo clothing. Let's remove this sticker. I feel like I'm about to go hunt for ducks and stuff, or go out in the forest somewhere. But I liked it. It looked nice on the website. It looked nice. I don't know. Y'all be the judge of that. Let me know in the comments. Would you buy this? It's still available. Never sold out. They had a zip up one, which I'll show right now, that did sell out. But the hoodie never sold out. So let's go ahead and talk more about this. So this is it right here. $165. If you do want to pay it in 4 payments, you could do that if you like. There's gonna be small, medium, large, and they are true to size. It says a custom vintage inspired colorway of the Realtree Edge Camo developed by AKIMBO in collaboration with Realtree. Made in Los Angeles, fits true to size, boxy fit, 100% brushed cotton, 14 ounce, unisex, cold machine wash, hang to dry, and then it gives you the measurements here. And it did ship in about 3 to 5 business days, so I got it really fast, honestly. But this is it right here. This is the hoodie. I like the style of the hoodie. It just looks different from any other hoodies you see out here. And they also, on Instagram, they are being followed by Hidden New York. And Hidden New York is a great brand. They're really like fire. I have 2 pieces from them, a t-shirt which I'll review, and a sweater. Let me know in the comments what you think of this sweater. Would you have bought it? Do you like more the zip up hoodie? They're all sold out in all sizes. The hoodie still available. They're still coming up. They're still an early brand. And this is Realtree. This is their site. They be having like all types of camo stuff. What put me on was these New York Yankees sweaters. They haven't dropped ever since, but this was a fire piece. I'm like, damn, I really wanted this. Like, I was late to the party. I'm hoping they drop again. That hoodie with the New York Yankees symbol, like a little off symbol. It's fire. I definitely can't wait till they drop this, because I'm definitely grabbing. I'm definitely gonna buy one. You gotta have a Yankees drip. You know, the navy blue. You can have some fire fits, but you also gotta have some fire fits with Boston. My man's always talk about like how I can't do that. He's like, you can't do that. If you're a Boston fan, you gotta buy Boston stuff. Nah. This is how they came about making like these Yankees. They had the knit sweater. The knit sweater was fire. This is their Instagram. This is someone else wearing it right there. Okay, fire. This is different. You know, I was like, let me just. I'm always grabbing Supreme, you know, palettes, kits, stuff. Look, they dropped this. This was insane. When they dropped this, I wasn't even hip to their brand yet, and I would have grabbed this for sure. But you know what? There'll be other times. Now that I know about the brand, it's still coming up. They have 162K followers. You know, they're not really all that popular right now, but they're going somewhere with what they're doing. They got the sweater that just came out of this exact same sweater that I just got. Let me know what you think in the comments below regarding this sweater, this with Realtree collab, and let me know if you would buy it. I bought it. You know, we're gonna try it on right now. I'll let you know how I feel about it. So this is different, as you see. You got the the Realtree upside down here. It says Realtree and upside down. Realtree Edge. You got the AKIMBO logo right here. Very plain, but you could really do something with this, you know? Let me know in the comments below, would you buy this? Would you skip? I'm not gonna lie, it looked better on the site. Alright, so that wraps it up. This review for the AKIMBO times Realtree collab. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more merch reviews and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.